Imagine a time when Eastern European expats get tired of living in the UK and decide to go back home. Does that sound absurd to you? Well, get used to it, because that might just become the reality of our world today. Several factors are pushing the expats of Eastern Europe back to their home countries, but what could the reasons be? Are things really turning out to be all that bad in the UK, or has Eastern Europe just gotten too good at their game? Let's break it down, country by country. Imagine a country that was way behind the big players in Western Europe just a few years ago. Where is this country today? Well, Poland is stepping up, shining bright, and offering opportunities that'll make the Polish expats stop and think, is it time to go back? Poland's journey took off when it joined the European Union in 2004. At that time, Poland's GDP per capita was only 48% of the EU average. But by 2024, this figure had climbed to an impressive 82%, putting Poland nearly on a par with Portugal's economy. This growth reflects significant changes, including booming trade and a steady stream of foreign investments. The EU's contributions to this transformation have been substantial. Poland has received hundreds of billions in cohesion funds, which have fueled infrastructure projects, supported business ventures, and boosted overall economic activity. In 2004, Poland's unemployment rate was a striking 20%. Fast forward to 2024, and that rate has plunged to just around 2.9%, a dramatic shift that shows just how much the job market has strengthened. This steep decline in unemployment mirrors Poland's economic progress and the creation of countless job opportunities across diverse fields, from manufacturing to technology and services. A 2.9% unemployment rate indicates not only the vitality of the economy, but also the demand for a wide range of skills, making it an attractive landscape for job seekers. Poland's economic growth hasn't just been about numbers, it's also translated into a better quality of life. Investments in infrastructure, modernization of public services, and the revitalization of urban areas have reshaped cities across the country. Warsaw, for instance, has seen remarkable upgrades in digital services, public transport, and recreational areas. The city now offers a quality of life that rivals many Western European capitals, providing a modern, lively urban experience. For those who left Poland seeking higher living standards abroad, today's Poland offers a standard of living that feels much closer to home. Poland's central location in Europe and its competitive labor costs have made it a magnet for foreign direct investment. The country has established itself as a top destination for industries relocating within Europe, thanks in a large part to the EU's structural funds and access to the single market. Since joining the EU, Poland has benefited from approximately 170 billion euros in EU funds, an influx that has fueled economic growth by over 2% each year. This wave of investment has boosted industrial development, infrastructure, and employment opportunities, helping position Poland as a critical player in Europe's economy. Hungary has gone through a major transformation, and honestly, it is beginning to look more like Western Europe every day. Imagine a country with a prime spot in Europe and a workforce that's both talented and affordable. That's Hungary, and it's exactly why so many foreign companies are rushing in to invest. And here's the thing, Hungary isn't just attracting small investments. In 2023, China became Hungary's top investor, bringing an impressive 10.7 billion euros. This level of interest from a global powerhouse is a clear sign that Hungary is on the rise. One of the most exciting projects is the Chinese battery giant CATL, which is building a massive lithium-ion battery plant in Debrecen. This isn't just any factory, it's Hungary's largest ever greenfield investment, worth a staggering 7.3 billion euros. This plant is set to become a game-changer for local jobs and will help Hungary carve out a strong place in the electric vehicle market. But that's not all. Another major player, Chinese automaker BYD, plans to open its first European EV manufacturing plant in Szeged, Hungary. This factory will bring in thousands of high-quality jobs and create lots of opportunities for local suppliers. Together, these investments are turning Hungary into a key location for EV production in Europe. With all this foreign investment, it's no surprise that wages in Hungary are going up, and fast. Since 2004, wages have risen by 4 to 6 times. For people working here, that means more disposable income, a better lifestyle, and a boost in financial security. Take a look at the recent numbers. In August 2024, the gross average wage in Hungary rose by an impressive 13.1% year-over-year, hitting 628,776 Hungarian florins. And this isn't just limited to one sector. Both private and public sector workers have seen their incomes grow. This wage growth is a strong indicator of Hungary's robust labour market, making it an appealing option for anyone looking to return and secure a comfortable job. Now, what's all this economic growth without an improved quality of life? Hungary's transformation has brought visible changes to cities across the country. Public services have been modernised, infrastructure has been upgraded, and urban areas have been revitalised. Just take a look at Budapest. The capital has seen significant development and digitalisation, making it a lively, attractive city for residents and returnees alike. With a mix of historical charm and modern conveniences, Budapest now offers a lifestyle that rivals Western European capitals, but at a more affordable price. Did you know that the Czech Republic has become a central player in the automotive world? It's true, this country is now one of Europe's main hubs for car manufacturing. In 2023, the Czech Republic produced 1.398 million cars, making a 14.8% increase from the previous year. That's nearly back to pre-pandemic levels, and it's all thanks to big-name manufacturers like Škoda Auto, Hyundai, and Toyota. These companies aren't just setting up small operations here, they're establishing major production plants, creating a ton of job opportunities for skilled workers. The impact of this industry on the Czech economy is massive, contributing around 9% of the country's GDP. If you're in engineering, tech, or supply chain management, the automotive sector here has a lot to offer. It's not just about jobs either. This growth is sparking innovation and technological advancements, making the Czech Republic an exciting place to build a dynamic career. But it's not all about work. The Czech Republic is also investing in quality of life. According to the OECD Better Life Index, the country scores well in areas like safety, healthcare, and education. People here live an average of 79 years, and about 89% of residents are satisfied with their water quality, which is above the average for other OECD countries. Cities like Prague have undergone significant changes, combining their historic charm with modern updates. The public transport system is efficient, healthcare services are high quality, and there's a rich cultural scene with museums, theatres, and festivals. Plus, living here is still more affordable than in many Western European capitals, meaning you can enjoy a balanced lifestyle without breaking the bank. The Czech Republic's economy has shown steady growth, with GDP per capita on the rise year after year. Positioned strategically in Central Europe, and supported by well-developed infrastructure, the country attracts a lot of foreign investment, which boosts economic activities across the board. The unemployment rate remains low, reflecting a stable job market with plenty of opportunities in various fields. This stability makes it a great choice for people looking to move back and secure a stable life. Plus, the Czech Republic values education and continuous learning, and it shows universities and research institutions working closely with industries, encouraging a culture of innovation and development. The emphasis on education not only strengthens the workforce, but also offers a solid educational path for expats and their families. This might be hard to believe, but Slovakia is now one of the biggest car producers per person in the world. In 2022, the country produced 184 cars for every 1,000 people. That's right, Slovakia is a global leader in car production, and it's all thanks to major car companies like Volkswagen, PSA Peugeot Citroën, Kia Motors, and Jaguar Land Rover. These big names have set up shop in Slovakia, and they're producing cars at an impressive rate, creating tons of job opportunities along the way. The impact of the car industry on Slovakia's economy is massive. Car manufacturing alone contributes around 13% of Slovakia's GDP and makes up a huge 46% of its industrial exports. This industry is not just about putting people to work, It's driving innovation and bringing new technology to Slovakia. For anyone skilled in engineering, tech or supply chain management, this is a fantastic place to kickstart or advance a career in a growing dynamic field. Slovakia's central location in Europe, combined with its affordable labour costs, has attracted big-time foreign investment. Investors are pouring money into Slovakia, seeing it as a stable and promising place for business. In August 2024, foreign direct investment in Slovakia grew by €260.6 million. This confidence from international investors speaks volumes about Slovakia's economic stability. A prime example of this investment boom is Volvo Cars, which plans to open an electric vehicle plant in Slovakia within the next 2 years. The plant is expected to produce around 250,000 EVs each year and will bring at least 3,300 direct jobs, plus countless other opportunities in supporting industries. This type of high-quality, tech-driven job creation is making Slovakia an increasingly attractive destination for people looking to move back. Slovakia's economic success has led to better living standards, with improvements in infrastructure, public services and city life. Bratislava, the capital, is a great example. It has seen a wave of modernization and digitalization, making it a lively, attractive city. This blend of historic charm and modern amenities gives residents the best of both worlds. Plus, public services have been improved, and there are more cultural and recreational options than ever. What's more, Slovakia offers a lower cost of living compared to many Western European countries. This means you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without the high expenses of cities like Vienna or Munich. For anyone considering a move back, Slovakia provides a good balance of affordability and quality of life. Romania's manufacturing industry has been on a roll, especially in the automotive and electronics sectors. Think about it. Romania has become a serious player in car production, with big names like Renault and Ford setting up major plants here. In 2020, Romania produced over 438,000 vehicles, showing its importance in the European automotive scene. This isn't just about building cars, it's about creating jobs and boosting the economy. If you're a skilled worker, especially in engineering or technology, the automotive industry here is full of opportunities. But cars aren't the only thing driving Romania's growth. The electronics industry is also booming. Companies like Continental, Nokia and Bosch have set up in cities like Timișoara, contributing to local economies and providing jobs. This growth in electronics has added a layer of diversity to Romania's economy, making it a place where professionals can find exciting high-tech career paths. Romania's position on the map is pure gold. It's right at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, making it a gateway for trade and business across both regions. Plus, Romania offers a big market of around 19 million consumers and a skilled workforce at competitive wages. This winning combination has attracted many international companies, which means more jobs and a stronger economy. Romania's government has also been working hard to improve infrastructure, and it's paying off. Take the Black Sea port of Constanța, for instance, one of the busiest ports in the region. In June 2024, DP World Romania doubled the port's container shipping capacity, taking it up to 1.5 million TEUs from just 700,000 the previous year. This massive upgrade isn't just good for trade, it's creating jobs and boosting Romania's economy even more. Foreign investment and growing manufacturing sector have made a real impact on Romania's economy. Romania's GDP has been on the rise, and unemployment has been steadily dropping, showing how strong the job market has become. Manufacturing alone made up 28.5% of Romania's GDP in 2022 and employed about 23.4% of the workforce. That's nearly a quarter of the jobs in the country. For anyone looking to return, this means a healthy economy with plenty of job options. Romania's membership in the European Union has also been a game changer, providing access to a larger market and sparking even more economic activity. With its location, EU membership and natural resources, Romania is a prime spot for companies wanting to reach European, Central Asian, and even Near Eastern markets. Did you know Bulgaria has become one of the top places in Southeastern Europe for technology and outsourcing? That's right, Bulgaria is often called the Silicon Valley of Southeastern Europe, and for good reason. The country has a rich background in tech stretching all the way back to the communist era. Today, it's home to around 10,000 companies in the information and communications technology sector, and 70% of these companies work with clients outside Bulgaria. This has made Bulgaria one of the top destinations for tech outsourcing. The numbers show how fast this industry is growing. In 2024, the ICT market in Bulgaria was worth an impressive $8.95 billion, and experts predict it could reach $10.45 billion by 2029. The growth is fueled by a focus on digital technology, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things. For professionals in software development, data analysis, and cybersecurity, Bulgaria offers exciting career paths in an industry that's constantly expanding and evolving. One of the biggest draws of Bulgaria is the affordable cost of living. If you've been used to Western Europe's high prices, Bulgaria's living costs might surprise you. According to recent data, a family of 4 can expect to spend around $2,293 each month without rent, while a single person might spend around $648 per month. Compared to the United States, the cost of living in Bulgaria is about 44% lower, and rent is over 74% cheaper. And when compared to the UK, Bulgaria's cost of living is nearly 40% lower and rent prices are 66% lower. Eating out is also affordable. Restaurant prices are about 43% lower than in the UK. So if you're looking to enjoy a comfortable life with a bit more financial freedom, Bulgaria makes it possible to have a high quality of life without the hefty price tag of Western Europe. But Bulgaria isn't just about saving money. This country offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Cities like Sofia and Plovdiv have seen major development, with modern infrastructure, great public services, and a lively cultural scene. Bulgaria's charm doesn't end in the cities, though. The country is also known for its stunning natural beauty, with mountains, beaches, and countless historical sites. For returnees, this balance of modern living and cultural heritage offers a lifestyle that feels both rich and relaxed. So it seems the reasons why most of these Eastern Europeans left their homes are gone. What's stopping them from going back? Absolutely nothing, and that's why most expats are returning to their beloved homes.